Hello, 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 everyone! I hope you are super excited to see this unboxing of my Charlotte Tilbury Advent Calendar. I've been super excited to show it to everyone because the packaging is absolutely gorgeous and it's just a really nice selection of products. I wanted to streamline this unboxing for you, so I already took the box out of its original box that it came in when it was shipped to me, and the individual products that are in the drawers were wrapped up in this really nice dark purple tissue paper, and I removed that so that you didn't have to watch me unwrap tissue paper from 12 different things. So, let's get on with this and I will show you all of the wonderful products that are in this beautiful, gorgeous, sparkly rose gold box. So let's get started here. And the first product in this top box is the Hollywood Beauty Light Wand, full size. And let's open this gorgeous thing. So this looks like it's supposed to be a highlighter type of product with that little spongy tip. Let's see what the description has to say. Full-size Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. My dreamy rose gold highlighter inspired by the digitally remastered tricks of Hollywood and the flawless filters of social media. The secret to a lit from within glow. The product in the box retails for $38 USD. So, let's move on. Let's see what the next one is. This product here, we've got what looks like a full-size color chameleon in copper lights. And according to the website, this is a full-size color chameleon in copper lights, a gorgeous limited edition copper shade that will enhance the look of your eye color in an easy-to-glide formula. The product retails for $27 USD. And now the next product. Let's see, what do we have here? Rock and Roll Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. This looks like a travel size or a half size product to me. So, what do we have here? Yep, travel size Rock and Kohl eyeliner in Barbarella Brown. An intense brown kohl eyeliner, perfect for an alternative to traditional black kohl for sexy smoked up eyes in an instant. Ow, ow! It looks like the full-size product retails for $27 USD. And since this is travel size and it looks to be about like half the size of a normal eyeliner, I'm gonna guesstimate that it's worth about $13.50. And next door, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. This also looks like it's a travel size product. And what do we have here? Travel size Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Pillow Talk Original. My iconic, globally loved, Barely There nude pink lip liner to help reshape and resize the appearance of your lips. Now, the original product for full size retails for $22, and since the travel size appears to be about half the size of the original, I am guesstimating it at $13.50. Oh, not $13.50, sorry, that was the N Kohl eyeliner. $11 for the travel size one. And that's 4 products down, 8 more to go. Our next one is the Goddess Skin Clay Mask. So this is another travel size product. The travel size Goddess Skin Clay Mask. Clay mask. The ultimate red carpet essential. This glow-giving clay mask will give you a gorgeous looking skin in minutes. I send this to all of my celebrity clients before a red carpet event. This travel size product on the website retails for $15 USD. And the next product we have here is Charlotte's Magic Serum. So travel size, My Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, the supercharged secret to your skin's best future. A clinically proven hydrating serum for youthful looking skin. Now this little tiny sample size, travel size product retails for $29 USD. It's relatively small, as you can see. This is how much of it fits in my hand. And next up, we have the Wonderglow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. So this travel size product gives you glow on the go. The Mini Wonderglow is my must-have beauty secret, a glowing primer for radiant, dewy-looking complexion. This product retails for $25 USD on the website. And in this corner, we have Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes in what looks like a travel size, half-size product. So let's take a look at this brush here. I have not used this yet, so this is what the brush looks like. And the travel size Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara, a miracle mascara that gives lashes long-lasting volume, length, and a weightless 24-hour vertical lift effect. This travel size product retails for $15 USD on the website. Woo! Ooh. So here we go. This looks like the original Pillow Talk lipstick. So we have here the full-size Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk Original. My iconic, best-selling, award-winning, dreamy nude pink matte lipstick. It is the celebrity-loved Suits All secret for a dreamy, perfected-looking pout. This full-size lipstick retails for $34 USD on the website. Oh, that's where the Pillow Talk was. And we're getting to the end. This is number 10. So this here is a travel size Supermodel Body Shape, Hydrate, and Glow. This product is a super hydrating body shimmer to sculpt and highlight for glossy perfection. Now the full-size version of this product is 100 ml and retails for $65 USD. This travel size product is 15 ml, so, you know, doing math, that means that this product should theoretically be worth $9.75 for this size. Almost there. Here comes number 11. And here we have a travel size of Charlotte's Magic Cream, an award-winning, celebrity-loved moisturizer to give you hydrated, dewy-looking skin in an instant with a matrix of magic ingredients that intensely moisturize the complexion. This product in this travel size retails for $29 USD. And last but not least, let's take a look here at number 12. We have here a travel size Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray Mist. And it looks like so this product primes and sets makeup for up to 16 hours without melting, fading, or creasing. My secret to makeup that looks just applied all day. This product retails for $20 USD on the website. So, now, is this advent calendar worth it? By my calculations, the total value of these products is about $266.25 for all of the products shown here. So, if you paid for each product individually, you would pay a total of $266.25. Now, this entire box with all the products included is priced at $200 USD on the Charlotte Tilbury website, which gives you an approximate savings of roughly 25%. So, in my personal opinion, if you would like to have an experience with a high-end brand, this is a great advent calendar to sample a lot of different products from different areas of the Charlotte Tilbury brand. And honestly, this box is really, really sturdy. It's not one of those boxes that you would just throw away. Like, it's, it is made out of cardboard, but it's a very sturdy cardboard. Like, my cat can sit on it and it's not going to get crushed. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will follow up with you all later as I test these products and see if I like any of them. And I will give you my honest review on all of these products at a later date. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I love you all. Have a wonderful holiday. Hugs and kisses.